The Bengali Saree drape has captured the imagination of many and conjures up images of class, lavishness, tradition, and elegance. Start with tucking the saree end from the right side of the waist and until it completes one full round back to the right side. Tuck the saree across from the right side of the waist to the left side and then reverse from left to right. Now make pallu pleats and place it on the left shoulder such that it makes a deep U in the front. Now pick a pallu corner and tie a trinket to it, a pack of keys or an antique silver key holder. Take the remaining drape and knot it and tuck it at the back. Bring the pallu corner to the front under the right hand and place it on your right shoulder.